How to create an AI avatar. After this video, you won't need to watch any other video. I will teach you in just 2 steps how you can create this type of avatar. Let's get started. Open the Chrome browser and type Leonardo.ai in the search bar. Click on the first link, then click on the Get Started button. Now sign in using your Google account or Gmail. After signing in, click on Create Image. Now here, select the ratio in which you want to create the image. Once the ratio is selected, paste a prompt. You can find its link in the description. Copy the prompt from here and paste it into the prompt box in Leonardo AI. I have generated it without making any changes. If you want, you can make changes. Let me show you how. Here, you can change the country name. Here, you can change the age. Here, you can specify man or woman. Here, you can change the t-shirt color. I have changed the t-shirt color and generated the image. You can view the previously generated images. After changing the color, you can also view the images that were generated. If you need to make more changes, you can modify the prompt. After this video, I'm sure you won't need to watch any other video to create an avatar. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.